How to share your Depop shop. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily share your Depop shop or your shop page. First of all, launch open the Depop application on your smartphone or your tablets and make sure you're logged into your account. Once logged in, from the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on My Depop. Inside the My Depop page, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner, and there you'll need to go ahead and scroll down and look for Share My Shop option. Tap on it to copy your shop link. Now, after you copy the shop link, you can go ahead and share it via any messaging platforms such as WhatsApp, Messenger, your SMS app, or other social applications. You can also go ahead and share the link with your direct contacts from your device. All you need to do is to find a contact and paste in the link that you just copied and send it to them, and you'll be good to go. That's how you easily share your shop link on Depop so that you can get more visibility, followers, and potential buyers. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.